Hey guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel. Seeing if I can pick something up here today, guys. I'll mess around here real quick, try from this side and then work my way back. So here we are, guys, doing a little bit of lure fishing today. Nothing really spectacular, but we're going to try out this little section, work our way back and see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. I just heard something snap a while ago, but I don't know what it was. A lot of seaweed coming in here, guys. Not getting the run that I want. Let's see what's up, guys. I see something coming after it. Something spotted it, but I don't know where it turned. Let's see if I can get its attention. Let's kill a little bit of time, guys. Making shore fishing way. Nothing yet, guys. Let's test in these waters, guys, to see what we can pick up. Fish on, guys. Fish on. We got something. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Yeah, guys. Haha. Barra hunting, guys. Shore fishing. Look at this, guys. Got ourselves a little barrel, guys. Have a good 1 pounder. Pretty fat barrel too, guys. Let's get him off. Alright, calm down. Let's get these hooks out of you. Yeah, man. Who normally would have thrown this guy back? But we're gonna keep this guy today, guys. Let me get my pliers back in. Just keep it on the side for now. Yeah, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Let's get this guy. We'll get him over here so you can't jump back in the water, guys. Right over there. He's alright right there. You can't go over there. There, guys. So we just hit a barrel a while ago. I don't know. I saw them coming down. Hey guys, so come on, got a nice little barrel a while ago, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Alright, this gold lure been doing it, guys. Scan in the water. Hey guys, he hit that lure pretty good a while ago. You know what I mean? Let's see what else, if we can get anybody else's attention, guys. I'm gonna eat this guy for dinner later for sure. I might just do a catch and cook video on this, guys. Come on, fresh barracuda again. Jamaican shore fishing way, guys. That's what's up. That's how we do it, guys. See if we can get somebody else's attention, guys. There, guys. It's normally one barrel to a territory, guys. We'll give it another shot back over here again and see what's up, and then we're gonna move this barrel down the line, guys. All right. And see what else we can pick up here, guys. I wouldn't mind picking up something pretty big. Wondering if they've seen it from afar. Alright, guys, we're gonna move down a little bit. It's a nice little off the road side spot, guys. Stop. Grab our bad boy barrel here, guys. Yeah, he's trying to get away. I'm trying to catch dinner. So that's what's up, guys. Put him right here in the shade, guys, so you can't get away. My string is in my bag. I should pull that out and string him up. Yeah, let me get that out and string him up, guys. Throw him in the water and then stay fresh. I can go get a plastic bag afterwards or something. Put him in.